There it is. See how far it got up?
Need another rod?
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Okay. It's just right in that angle bend. Another DIY kit. Stuck in the vent. Welcome to the channel, Lint Duct Cleaning, where our whole channel is dedicated to just dryer vent cleaning. If you've recently lost a rod in your dryer vent, if you're someone in the business of dryer vent cleaning, or you've just came across the channel, welcome. I hope you get something from this video education-wise, or at least some enjoyment. In this, we're going to be watching us retrieve a lost do-it-yourself rod. These do-it-yourself rod kits are not made very well, and they do come apart very easy. If you're using these kits thinking you were going to get a cheap dryer vent cleaning, you may find yourself in a bigger issue like this customer had here. With these kits, if you find a lint clog that's a little bit bigger than just a dry, bit of lint, or you come into an elbow, they will come apart, and then you're going to have to call out a trained professional. First, we do the video inspection to make sure we can locate where the lost tool is, and then afterwards we use a special tool designed just for retrieving lost tools. Okay, it's just right in that angle. Going in.
Yeah, I felt bad because my roommate was doing laundry, running the dryer, and I was like, oh, this is going to take me like 15 minutes. No problem, stop it.
Yeah, no problem. Another DIY kit. Stuck in the vent. It's a long one too. It's a long one too. Yeah. Look at that. There's the brush. Now that was the retrieval. That was a lot of fun. The last part, we are going to fully clean the vent. This one went vertically and then horizontally out to the side. So we attach our blower and then we snake from the outside and get some pretty wet lint. Enjoy.
It's a wet lint.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit that subscribe button for more oddly satisfying dryer vent cleaning.